Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Expedia. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with Expedia, begin by logging into your Expedia Partner Central account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Sales Strategies section on the left-hand menu. Click on Sales Strategies to open the options available to you. Here, you'll see a variety of sales initiatives you can activate. Select a strategy that aligns with your business goals. Carefully read through the details of each strategy to understand the benefits and requirements. Once you've chosen a strategy, click on the Activate button. A pop-up may appear, prompting you to confirm your selection. Review the confirmation details before proceeding. After confirmation, you'll receive a notification of successful activation. Monitor your dashboard for updates on your activated strategies. Regularly review performance metrics to determine the effectiveness of your chosen strategies. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your sales efforts. Engage with any additional resources or support provided by Expedia. Stay informed about new strategies that could enhance your sales performance. Utilize feedback tools to assess customer engagement from your activated strategies. This process ensures that you effectively leverage Expedia's platform to boost your sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.